Digital forms of money especially have step-by-step penetrated the standard awareness and got some decent momentum. Notwithstanding, most certainly a considerable lot of them neglect to explicitly endure for the long haul and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception in a kind of significant manner. At the point when a progressive resource in every way that really matters stepped in, this was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority yearn for the sake of entertainment in an unpretentious manner. What generally is Axie limitlessness, being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry. Axie limitlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are endless approaches to procuring Axie, yet being a piece of most certainly state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain in every practical sense, compensating players for commitment, is completely unfathomable in the realm of Axie vastness. Axie limitlessness environment in every way that really matters is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie generally is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing digital money. Players can fundamentally procure the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT games have basically acquired huge ubiquity in every practical sense, overall in a by and large significant way. Subsequently, this might support the general development of the Axie biological system in ETH, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion period. On the other, it mirrors in every way that really matters social obligation esteem wherein it sets out business open doors for the general population and fabricates a mood of a solid local area cutting the guide to a feasible stage, which is very critical. Clients can possess the in every practical sense local Axie vastness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and truly use them across an always growing universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie limitlessness convention has brought one in every way that really matters more truth to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past lines and the constraints of simply the money area, intended to address different bottlenecks in finance. Axie boundlessness is set to make lives genuinely more enabled and quick in a significant manner. In a one-of-a-kind way, the Axie Boundlessness Convention has likewise explicitly added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They additionally came in bundles, explicitly be it excess expenses, speed, or pretended mediators. Axie totally centers around offering clients the advantage of effective information move that would fundamentally make their gaming and exchanges quick and perfect, in this way legitimizing its worldview job in the advanced ecospace, or so they thought. Axie Boundlessness Specialized Examination. With a market cap of $638,654,951 and an exchanging volume of $63,242,843, Axie Boundlessness, especially current cost activity mirrors a gigantic rectification. The Axie Boundlessness cost weights around $6.37, with an unsurpassed high and low of $165.37 and 12 cents. Separately, in the crypto market in an unobtrusive way, Axie limitlessness has an ongoing circling supply of 100,125,814 ACK, and the pioneers behind Axie endlessness are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie vastness sort of has a great deal of basically vows to observe for its fans according to their specialized examination. As per specialized examination, Axie tokens truly have been exchanging very negatively amazingly. Subsequent to raising a ruckus around town, the fundamentally token revised greatly and arrived at a solitary digit esteem in opposition to mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, the future cost of Axie vastness is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Axie vastness value expectation 2023 amazingly. Our Axie vastness cost expectation recommends that the symbolics cost could record a good recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie boundlessness cost in a real sense is determined to have a most extreme worth of $12.96, while the typical cost might be around $9.07. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.15 amazingly. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2024. According to our Axie boundlessness cost expectation, the Axie coin will precede the upturn as long as possible, and it's in every way that really matters. Greatest worth might reach $18.25, while the very least cost might be $12.50, which is very huge. Simultaneously, the Axie token could especially have a typical cost of $15.38. It is normal that the Axie financial backers might procure fair benefits in the year. Axie vastness value forecast 2025. Axie vastness in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $19.34 in an unpretentious manner, while the base and sort of most extreme Axie endlessness cost could basically be $16.30 and $22.37. Separately, in view of our Axie limitlessness estimate, Axie limitlessness value forecast 2026. According to the Axe cost conjecture, Axie's coins could arrive at the greatest worth of $25.15, with a base cost of $20.75. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $22.95 amazingly, in view of our cost expectations. The Axie limitlessness coin's cost ascend for the year could generally be gigantic, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Axie endlessness value expectation 2027. In view of the specialized examination in Axie boundlessness forecast, the digital currency might exchange at a typical cost of $26.50 in an unobtrusive manner, while the kind of least and greatest costs of Axe are expected to generally be $22.45 and $30.55. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2028. As per our Axe coin cost forecast, the most extreme worth is expected to be $33.10, while the sort of potential low may especially be around $24.22. The change is supposed to in a real sense be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $28.66 for the in every way that really matters whole year, which is genuinely critical. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the possible high of the coin might have reached $35.15, according to our Axie boundlessness crypto cost forecast, which is genuinely huge. Taking a gander at the kind of past execution of the Axie limitlessness, the base and normal costs may generally be around $27.50 and $31.33 individually, which is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2030, which is very critical. In view of Axe crypto cost expectation, the base, most extreme, and normal costs are anticipated to in every practical sense be $32.75, $40.33, and $36.54 separately. In 2030, the general cost change for Axies may be remarkable. Is it beneficial to put resources into Axie vastness? In light of the Axe cost expectation, it very well may be reasoned that it for the most part is productive to put resources into Axie vastness as long as possible. By 2030, the normal cost of Axie endlessness is supposed to especially be around $36.54, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Our Axie limitlessness cost conjecture certainly shows that the token might have a sluggish development rate. However, the computerized money will ascend from here on out, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Where might you at any point fundamentally purchase Axie vastness? Axie limitlessness is accessible to exchange on major crypto trades like Binance, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, KuCoin, and so on. There really are no immediate fiat buy choices for Axe. You want to purchase Bitcoin with government-issued currency which can then commonly be traded with Axe on upheld trades, which is very critical. Is Axie limitlessness the future in a kind of huge manner? The Axie vastness cost might have mirrored a critical revision from a new all-time high, which is very huge. Be that as it may, according to the general cost expectations, the expectation at a cost ascent of Axie endlessness stays bullish.